And so the question then becomes, how do you actually stand out in the eyes of the cloud reps? And so we work with our customers to be super targeted and use data. So almost like get a heat map, right? Of by geo, by teams, who like which teams are you doing the most with? Which teams are really engaging from actually like activity metrics, or are they hopping on a call with you? Do you have launched opportunities within their team? And so I really think about it as like team penetration. So how do you get to critical mass where like maybe you have five reps in a given territory that is working with your company? How do you get that to 10? How do you get that to 20? Because there's some level of social proof within that team that you're easy to work with, that you're good to work with. And then of course you use all that data to like have, QBRs with the AWS teams, whether it's at the sales leadership team or at the executive level. And so it really goes out to data and like running it like a sales play. Because so many people just like spray and pray. They we had a seed stage startup like a year and a half ago, like way back ago, where they were sharing like 5,000 opportunities. Basically every prospect, the entire account list, hoping to hit on something. And I'm like, this is not the way that you should be co-selling with the cloud. Like you're gonna piss them off. You're basically spamming them. It's akin to just doing an email blast, using Apollo Outreach or some of these other tools. So um, being targeted is always key in standing out.
Yeah, and as soon as I'll add to that, as soon as there is a blueprint, it gets overused. And so that's like it's so specific to the solution. Like we have a couple customers that are in the what is it, ESG space, and are doing like environmental, climate, and energy preservation, and their their ability to connect with the kind of the segment specialists has directly led to leads getting done. Whereas some of our customers that are world class database ISVs, like they're not going to get anything going through that route, and trying to look for a database like segment specialist. So it really, time and again, we've seen that like the way that companies find success by doing the partner co-sell is something that can't be put on a blueprint. And it comes down to just relationships. Like it's nothing new there. It's like, who can you build a relationship with and then find customers where there's a natural fit.